Hello everyone, in today's quick video I will show you how to make Lukoil Login Screen in SwiftUI. So how to make a layout using SwiftUI in Xcode. This will be a quick video for beginners, so let's get started. The first thing is to make a Z-stack. In a Z-stack I want background color, which I already prepared in my assets. So this is a dark red, and I want to ignore safe area. Okay, you can see that. The next step is to use a vertical stack with alignment leading, so on the left, and spacing of 12. I will add spacer to the bottom, and the first thing we need to do is add a logo. So for a logo I will use HStack and 2 spacers to center it in the middle. So because we again above we used alignment leading on the left, so the image would be on the left, but I want it on the center of the screen. So image, I already added it to the assets, that's the image, and I want to make it resizable, scaled to fit, and add a frame of height 180. So that's it. And also on this whole HStack I want top padding of 30 to make here more space. That's the first step. The next step is again HStack, horizontal stack. In this case also with 2 spacers, and here I will use image and text. So this is the image that I found online, and it is a pretty large image, so we need to make it resizable, scale to fit, add frame of 60, frame of height 60. Okay, foreground color, no, actually in this case we won't use any foreground color, we will use overlay. So with overlay I want rounded rectangle with corner radius of 0, so I want sharp corners, stroke line width of 1, and foreground color of white. As you can see, there is some little space between this line and image, and I will get rid of that space using padding here 3. That's that. So this is the image, and next to image I want to show text. We need to modify this text, so add custom font, system font of size 55, and on that font I want to use foreground color white and font weight black, which is the heaviest one of font weights. So that's it. This is HStack. Okay, just a second. This is the mistake. So no, actually what I did is I didn't include this HStack into VStack, so it needs to be here. Okay, that's that. We can move along. The next step is to add text, loyalty club, with font title 2, make it a bold and change foreground color to white color. Add some padding on the horizontal sides of 30. Text case, I want uppercase letters and small padding on the top of 15. So that's the first text. The next text is, I will copy paste this. I'll copy paste this below, and I need to change font. We don't need padding here, and font is system. No, actually I will use title 3 font, and here I already prepared the text, so you don't have to watch me typing it. Okay, and we don't use, in this case we won't use uppercase, title 3 and font white. That's it for this text. Below that there are 3 buttons, so we need to use button with action and label. For text I already prepared also text. On this text I will add a foreground color white, font of system with size 15 and weight bold, and text case uppercase. We need to style this button now. On the whole button I will add padding 8 and overlay. So I want to get it as it is in the real iOS application. For that I will use rounded rectangle with corner radius of 0, so they have sharp corners. Stroke with line width 1, foreground style white, and for this first button I believe that's it. I want to make it a full width. To get that I need to use frame with parameter max width infinity, and add some padding at the top of 30. I believe that's it for this button. So we have overlay, we have padding. I will copy paste this for the next button. So for the next button, which is registration, the next button will also have white foreground color, the same font, and also be uppercase. Padding, overlay will be the same, and we'll just remove padding on the top. And I will copy paste this one more time. And for the third button, copy paste its text. For the third button, I also think that padding, I will just add padding on the vertical, so on the top and bottom, because in their application the first letter it touches the rounded rectangle border, so I want to make it as more likely to original application. And I believe that's all. We can also add padding horizontally of 5. And that's it. That's the closest to the real application. So that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, if this is something that helped you build your application, then please like video, subscribe to my channel. You can find a lot more videos about SwiftUI topic, and see you in the next one.